Do you remember learning that you were a twin? When did you find out that you were a twin?
I guess I always thought that we were like sisters, but I didn't actually know we were actually like twins. But then when our birthday came, I figured out we were twins.
You figured out you were twins.
But not when I was like a baby birthday, because I didn't know then. Like my 5th or 6th birthday.
5th or 6th birthday?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought my sister was just joining in the fun, because like my birthdays are the best.
Okay, so eventually you realized, oh, we have the same birthday.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't remember a time when you weren't a twin, because you've always been a twin.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't remember waking up one day and realizing,
I'm a twin!
she's not just my sister, she's my twin!
I think it just like came naturally to me. I really don't know.
So there you go. Your twins will likely realize they're twins over time as they continue to get older. So as a parent of twins, what I want you to remember are 3 things. Number 1, don't make it a big deal that they're twins. Your kids are not some oddity or circus show. They are your children, right? They have their own unique interests, personalities, and spirits, and that makes them special, not because they're twins. Number 2, remember each of your twins' unique attributes. They may look different, they may act different, they may speak differently, they definitely have different interests and tastes. Embrace those differences and don't always group them together as just the twins. And number 3, teach your twins what it actually means to be a twin. Don't assume they know what a twin is. Sooner or later, people are going to start calling them twins, and they're going to realize, hey, what is a twin? So at age-appropriate ways, describe what it means to be a twin. Both of the girls were in mommy's belly at the same time. Both of you were born at the same time. That's what a twin is. And don't assume that just because your kids get older, they totally understand what a twin is. My girls are now 11, and one of them just the other day asked me, what is the difference between a twin and being a sister? And we had to explain those same concepts that I thought we had covered all these years of them growing up. So I hope you found this video helpful to give you a little bit of insight into what it means to be a twin from a twin's perspective. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Yep.
And subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos about parenting twins, tips and tricks for helping your twins and being the best twin parent you can be. Also, if you want to check out some of these other videos for tips and tricks on how to parent your twins, go ahead and give those a little clicky. Otherwise, leave a comment below on what's the most interesting thing you learned about being a twin from the answers my daughters shared today. So until next time, we'll see ya.
Bye!